Take a look at this SAT word problem. It seems straightforward, but as the warning shows, one small mistake here can cost you the entire gift card balance. The test makers often use a data dump to create friction. To clear the noise, we isolate our three core numbers: $60, $7.50, and $1.50. We start with our total, a $60 limit. Next, we distinguish the two types of movies: buying for $7.50 and renting for $1.50. Separating these variables immediately prevents you from accidentally multiplying the wrong price by the wrong quantity later. Now we can solve. Our first logical step is to determine the exact cost of the movies Henry has already decided to buy. Since he buys 3 movies at $7.50 each, he spends $22.50 right away. This fixed cost must be removed from his starting balance. Subtracting it shows he has $37.50 left on the card. This is a common trap. Anxious students often see this number and select it as their final answer, thinking they've finished the problem. But finding the remaining balance is just the midway point. We still haven't answered how many movies he can rent with that leftover money. Now we move to the final phase, applying the rental rate to our remaining balance. We treat that $37.50 as our new starting point for the rentals. We divide that remaining balance by the $1.50 rental cost to find our final quantity. Take a moment to run that division yourself. Completing this step is how you move from just knowing the leftover money to finding the specific count the question is asking for. The final answer is 25. Following this methodical deconstruction keeps you from making careless errors when the clock is ticking. If you want more strategies for the math section, comment 1600 below. Make sure to like, share, and follow for daily SAT tips. Learning to sort variables this way helps you maintain a clear path when the SAT layers multiple calculations into a single question.